Cooking oils are more than just a medium for frying or sautéing. They play a fundamental role in the taste, texture, and aroma of food. However, improper use of oils can pose serious health risks. Many people select oils based on convenience or preference without considering their impact on health. The way an oil is used, especially in relation to heat exposure, determines whether it remains beneficial or turns harmful. A key factor in oil safety is its smoke point, the temperature at which it starts to break down, producing toxic compounds. Understanding which oils are suitable for specific cooking methods can significantly reduce health risks while enhancing the quality of meals. Why they matter. The smoke point of an oil is the temperature at which it starts smoking, decomposing, and releasing harmful compounds. When an oil is heated beyond this point, it undergoes chemical changes that can produce toxic substances, including benzo(a)pyrene, a known carcinogen that has been linked to cancer. Acrylamide, a chemical associated with neurotoxicity and potential carcinogenic effects. Every oil has a unique smoke point, and exceeding this temperature can alter its molecular structure, turning beneficial fats into harmful substances. For example, oils with high smoke points, avocado oil, refined olive oil, canola oil, are best for high-heat cooking methods like deep frying or stir-frying. Oils with medium smoke points, extra virgin olive oil, sesame oil, are suitable for sautéing or light frying. Oils with low smoke points, flaxseed oil, perilla oil, should only be used for salad dressings or drizzling over food after cooking. Failing to consider an oil's smoke point can lead to the unintentional consumption of toxic compounds over time. The dangers of overheating oils. When oils are heated too much or reused multiple times, as often happens in deep frying, their chemical composition breaks down, producing 1. Free radicals, highly reactive molecules that cause oxidative stress, contributing to aging, inflammation, and chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. 2. Trans fats, harmful fats that raise bad cholesterol, LDL, and lower good cholesterol, HDL, significantly increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease. 3. Carcinogens, substances that may lead to mutations in DNA, increasing cancer risk. Repeatedly heating oils at high temperatures, such as in deep frying, accelerates these harmful effects. Over time, this can contribute to increased risk of heart disease, impaired cognitive function, higher likelihood of metabolic disorders. This is why selecting the right oil for the appropriate cooking method is critical for long-term health. The benefits of plant-based oils. Plant-based oils are generally considered healthier than animal fats due to their high levels of unsaturated fats, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants. These components contribute to better cardiovascular health. Unsaturated fats help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Reduced inflammation. Essential fatty acids like omega-3s and omega-6s help combat chronic inflammation. Improved brain function. Certain plant-based oils contain compounds that support cognitive health and may protect against neurodegenerative diseases. However, not all plant-based oils are equal in their benefits. Oils high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as flaxseed oil and perilla oil, have particularly strong protective effects against inflammation and brain aging. On the other hand, oils high in omega-6 fatty acids, such as soybean and corn oil, should be consumed in moderation, as excessive intake can contribute to inflammation. Perilla oil, a superfood for brain health. Perilla oil stands out among plant-based oils due to its exceptionally high content of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. This nutrient has been shown to support brain health by preventing the accumulation of harmful proteins linked to dementia. Improve cognitive function by enhancing neuron communication. Reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key factor in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Additionally, perilla oil is known to help break down toxic proteins that contribute to cognitive decline. Regular consumption of this oil, particularly before bedtime, may maximize its brain-boosting benefits. However, due to its low smoke point, perilla oil should never be used for frying or high-heat cooking. Instead, it is best used in salad dressings, drizzles over cooked vegetables or grains mixed into smoothies. By incorporating perilla oil into a balanced diet, individuals may improve brain health while reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Choosing the right oil for different cooking methods. Different cooking methods require different oils based on their stability and smoke points. Here's a breakdown of the best oil choices for each technique. 1. Deep frying, high heat. 1. Requires oils with high smoke points and stability to withstand prolonged heat exposure. 2. Best choices: avocado oil, peanut oil, refined coconut oil, canola oil. 2. Stir frying and sautéing, medium heat. 1. Needs oils that can tolerate moderate heat without breaking down. 2. Best choices: extra virgin olive oil, sesame oil, macadamia nut oil. 3. Salad dressings and drizzling, no heat. 1. Requires oils that retain their nutritional value and delicate flavors without being heated. 2. Best choices: perilla oil, flaxseed oil, walnut oil. By selecting the appropriate oil for each cooking method, individuals can enhance both the flavor of their meals and their long-term health. The importance of checking oil labels. Many people overlook the nutritional labels on oil bottles, but they contain crucial information for making healthier choices. Key details to look for include: 1. Smoke point. Ensures the oil is suitable for the intended cooking method. 2. Fat composition. Oils high in unsaturated fats, such as olive oil, are healthier than those high in saturated fats. 3. Processing method. Cold-pressed or unrefined oils retain more nutrients, while refined oils have higher smoke points but may lose some health benefits. Reading labels empowers consumers to make informed decisions about which oils to use for optimal health benefits. Mindful oil consumption for better health. This video serves as an essential guide to choosing and using cooking oils wisely to balance both health and flavor. The key takeaways include: understanding smoke points to prevent the formation of harmful compounds. Avoiding overheating oils to reduce exposure to carcinogens. Incorporating plant-based oils for their heart and brain benefits. Using perilla oil for cognitive support while being mindful of its low smoke point. Selecting the right oil for each cooking method to optimize both taste and health. Checking labels for crucial information on fat composition and processing. By making informed choices about cooking oils, individuals can safeguard their health, enhance their meals, and promote overall well-being.